This is our trainer for industrial PLC model XPO PLC. Here these are the different modular panels. Already we have given all descriptive and detailed demo in our PLC trainer demonstration video. So this is the first panel. This is the SMPS cum power supply panel. Here these are 3 MCBs connected to individual outlets, single phase outlets. Suppose here L1 for line 1 and N1, it means neutral 1 for first MCB. Similarly here L2, N2, L3, N3 for third MCB. This is the DC power supply which is required for operation of our PLC. And this is the second panel. This panel is for simulation cum extension panel for digital and analog inputs and outputs. These are the analog variable pots which gives our analog output here, and this is the for this switches is for digital output. It means here 2 stage. This is for on and this is for off. This is the toggle type switches for 4 digital inputs, and here this is the push to on switches for 4 digital inputs. Here for operation of this panel or for extension purpose, here we require 24 volt. So you can connect this 24 volt from DC power supply source. Third panel is for, this is a SAP. SAP means static application panel module. Here you can interchange different type of SAP, static application panel. Suppose this is a doorbell. Similarly, these are the total 19 number of different type of experiment panel. You can interchange this panel. This is the static application panels. This is the switching light. This is the silo control. This is the 7 segment. So you can remove this topper and connect or replace different type of SAPs. So already we have discussed all these experiments and procedure in our previous video. This is a relay simulation extension panel. It means here we are using 8 number of relays. Here these are the relay triggering input. You can connect here, and for operation of this panel we have to connect here 24 volt and common, which is coming from power supply panel, first panel. And here these are the NO and NCs for individual relay. This is the relay for relay first, second, third, fourth, up to 8 relay here. This is a Siemens PLC. Here we are using S71200 PLC. So our different model, different trainer, we are using 200 S71200 model also. This is the outlet coming from this PLC. Here analog output. These are the analog output and inputs. Here this is the analog inputs, this is the outputs, and here this is the digital inputs and output section. Here CDO means this is the digital output number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. This is the outputs, and this is the inputs. CDI means digital input number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And this is a supply port. We want to connect this supply port to power supply, because here 24 volt is required for operation of this PLC. And this is a cable connector. This goes to here. This is the working module of lift elevator. This is the working module of lift elevator. So here we are using this motor, 3-wire motor, single phase AC motor. here 230 volt, here 230 volt for this for operation up and down, and here for power source, here line and neutral connection is given here. So you can connect all these connections as per wiring sequence given in manual. And these are the lift stories, or you can say floors. So here first floor, this is the first floor, this is the second floor, third floor, this is the fourth floor. So these are the floor. Here main operation is that here on floor request. So this is the outer switch, up and down switch, which is outside of lift, and here this is a call switch. It means here this switches which indicates the inside switch position. It means that this switches is inside lift controls, and this is a outside lift control. This is a floor switch, floor request switch. And this is a man indoor sensor. It means suppose any man is comes in between sensor position of door, or any person is coming in door position, that time automatically your door will be open. So this is a lift door, close and open. Here this is a door, and here you can operate this door by using auto as well as manual mode. When automatically we are using this lift as a auto mode, that time this switch should be on auto position. Otherwise you can operate this door position, doors close and open status by using manual operation also. This is a close switch, this is a open switch, door switch, and this is a connections or connecting bars, or you can say a bus bar to floor connections, control panel connections. And here in lift, so for transportation purpose, we have dispatched this acrylic sheets individually or by separated without any assembly. So on site you can assemble similarly like this. And inside the lift, here this is a ropeway, here a ropeway, and this is a single phase AC motor, geared motor. Yeah, it converts into minimum RPM, reducing the RPM speed, and it will be operates. This is a lift. So along with this setup, we have given two types of manual. This is first is XPO PLC SW. SW means for student workbook, and another is for IG. IG means instructor guide. In instructor guide, all the ladder programs and the downloading procedure of program to device, it means in PLC device, and all these things are given inside this manual. There is a software procedure. It means how you can download the software and how you can create your own program ladder. It will given in this IG, and this is a student workbook. Here experimental application and actual experiment are given here. Suppose now we are going to study the working module. So working module with PLC. So go to 4th chapter. chapter number 4. Yeah, this is the working model, chapter number 4. Now we are studying lift elevator. So all the description related with lift elevator is given here. Fundamental description and working. Yeah, working model of elevator. The procedure and all concept is clear, which is given in this 4.1. And this is the wiring connections here, and this is a motor control circuit using relay. Here we are using two relay. One is for this is a first relay and second relay. This is a clockwise anti-clockwise direction your single phase AC motor will be run. So this is a by using this two relay we can rotate this motor clockwise or anti-clockwise direction. And this is a wiring connections for motor 3 wire connections, motor 4 wire connections, but now we are supplied motor 3 wire connections. So refer these connections here, refer below connection chart as per motor provided. So connect wiring sequence as per given. This is a simulation extension panel, it means SEP. Another converter distribution, it means CDP. One PLC source here, and here motor drive panel, it means MDP, which is on lift, and this panel is power supply panel. Now connect first connection RL1 NO. So here this is a relay 1. RL1 means relay 1 NO, this NO. So patch cord, it goes to L3, it goes to L3. So this is the RL1 NO goes to L3, 230 volt L3. Then another connection, relay 1 common goes to MDP 6, it means which is on lift. This panel is on lift. So connect RL1 common. This is a RL1 common goes to MDP up 6. This is a MDP panel goes to up or tag number 6 here. Third connection, RL3 common goes to MDP down 8. So this is a RL3 common. RL3 common here. You can use RL1 or RL2. This is a similar. Both all relays are similar. So anyone you can use for replacement of anyone. No problem. So here RL3 goes to here down. Yeah. Fourth connection RL1 NO goes to L2 30 volt. So RL3 NO, this NO goes to L2, this is a L2, and then MDP neutral goes to N3. Here the MDP, the neutral goes to N3. Here is the N3. Then as per wiring sequence given, we have completed our wiring connections. Connect mains cord here, and you can start these 3 switches. It gives supply. There is a main DC supply to as a source for each panel, for PLC as well as this relay panel also, and for lift elevator electronic circuit. And this supply to so this is how to go to for XPO PLC system here. Sound system existing program which we have given all these programs in one folder or this CD. You can refer this program from page number 2-3. So here after installation, actually all the procedure is steps given in our LC video. Then click to AI folder V15. You have to download the ladder given for elevator. These are the steps. Here first is a this window. Now go to browse the procedure and to elevator program. Elevator program. Click open this program and project will be open. For this procedure, click to browse, then open it. So go open existing project. So go to that and then select your preferred program for particular option. Now we are selecting lift elevator. So lift elevator and go to yeah, then we just click program and then put the will be given for program then particular program will be displayed window. This is the program for lift elevator. So you have to download this program first and then download options. Yeah. And by configurations going now load. This device loading configuration suppose you are outside third floor, you want to so just if from first floor automatically sometimes replace on third. So you inside the third flip, inside the inside the time to go fourth floor. So you go to fourth floor, yeah, and then repeat stop. Yeah. So again, if you want to go to first floor, first floor, and there will be sometimes and similarly in we using this so I want to put on so this is the outside on the third floor in any person is happening happen or any person is going to that time again if that person come out from door, that time door will be automatically off. Suppose let's check this in the sensor. The